Right, so today guys, we have something new to talk about. XPEL have just launched their new range of film, the XUP10. So the XUP10 is a slightly thicker film. So what this means is the standard film is 0.8 millimeters thick. The new film is a further 0.2 millimeters thick on top of that. So with cars such as this Lamborghini Aventador, road rash, stone chip damage is quite severe. These cars get driven fast. So XPEL decided to launch their new range of film, which was more resistant to stone chip damage. I mean, if a car's doing 200 miles an hour, you want the best protection possible. So even though the film is slightly thicker, there's no visual difference between the film we've applied on two different parts of this car. The front end and the side skirts have got the XUP10. The rest of the car has got XUP, which is their Ultimate Plus. As you can see, there is no visual difference, no orange peel difference. I mean, you can't tell there's any difference in the film. However, the front end has got a slightly thicker film on. This particular car has got three different types of film on. We have XUP10, XUP and Stealth. So what we've got is the front end of the side skirts have got their thickest film possible. The rest of the gloss paintwork has got XUP, and then the matte carbon and the satin black rimmers have got XPEL Stealth on. A little bit more about this film. This film is self-healing, which means swirl marks, scratches, they're a thing of the past. This particular film, once it gets to room temperature or you apply hot water or put it in direct sunlight, will actually heal, meaning this flat black paintwork that is notoriously difficult to maintain has now become a piece of cake.
Big shout out to Onyx Automotive, once again applying the best PPF film there is on the market, XPEL, on my beautiful Lamborghini SV Roadster, finished in the deepest, darkest gloss black, and they've done a fantastic job. The reflections that I'm seeing and witnessing on this car right now, it looks better than how it probably came out of the factory, that's fact.
guys, thanks for watching our latest video. As you can see, we've protected 2 lovely Aventadors. If you have any questions about PPF, please get in touch, or if you'd like to book in with us, please also get in touch with us via our social media platforms.